So hello everyone, in today's video we will solve SSTI1 picoCTF. So what is so SSTI means server side template injection. So it says that I made a cool website where you can announce whatever you want. So let's go to that website and whatever we type it will just show us that. So for server side template injection, first we have to know which engine it's using. In this portfolio lab, you can see that first we should try this, and if it works, then we should proceed here or here. So first try this. So it just printed the same thing we entered. That means this doesn't work. So we have to try this. Now, if we try that, 7 to 7. So it says 49. That means it doesn't show me whatever I entered. It executed this command. So now what we have to do, we have to check this. Then we will know which engine it's using, Ginger 2 or Tweak. Okay. So now if we do this, then it prints 7 7. Okay. So in most of the cases, if this gives you 7 7 7, so it uses Ginger 2. Here you can see. I will give all the links in the description. So now what we have to do, we have to first see which files are there and which permissions do we have. Then we will find the flag. So go to this website, give the link in the description. Copy this and paste it here. So it says that we have root permission. Okay. So now what we have to do is, in that same command, in this popen, delete this id and write ls here. Okay. Then send. So we have these files and folders. So you can see there is a flag file. So we have to read what is inside this. So now what we will do is, in this popen, we will write cat flag. Okay, now send it. And here you can see the flag. Copy this and paste it, submit. So it's done. So thanks for watching, and all the links are in the description.